Hello everyone, I'm Purva and welcome back to another episode of Builder Reviews with Housey. But first, let's quickly talk about what Housey does. Unlike many real estate platforms that share your number with multiple brokers, leading to endless phone calls, Housey ensures you connect directly with the builder. This makes your home buying journey smooth, transparent, and absolutely hassle-free. So if you're planning to buy a home, you are in the right place. Today's Builder Review is one of the most trusted and iconic names in India real estate, Prestige Group. This review will be divided into 7 segments: overview of the Prestige Group, a journey through milestones, presence in India, completed residential and commercial projects, awards and recognitions, interesting facts and philanthropy controversies. Let's begin with the overview of Prestige Group. Founded officially in 1986 by Irfan Razack in Bengaluru, Prestige has grown from a small retail and tailoring business started by his father, Abdul Razack Sattar, in the 1950s into one of India's largest and most diversified real estate developers. Today, under the leadership of Irfan Razack, Chairman and Managing Director, Rizwan Razack, Joint MD, and Noman Razack, Whole-time Director, Prestige continues to set benchmarks across housing, commercial, retail, leisure and hospitality. As of September 2023, here are Prestige Group's latest numbers. 300 plus completed projects spanning 180 plus million square feet, 56 ongoing projects covering 86 million square feet, 43 upcoming projects planned spanning 85 million square feet. A land bank of over 728 acres. This group is graded CRISIL DA1+ and enjoys an ICRA A+ credit rating, reinforcing its financial credibility. Now, let's take a walk through Prestige Group's journey of milestones. 1956. Abdul Razack Sattar opens a men's fashion store named Prestige on Commercial Street, Bengaluru. It soon becomes a style icon and household name. 1975. Prestige Textiles is launched on BVK Ayagnar Road, marking a diversification into new business verticals. 1980. Irfan and Rizwan Razack sell family property at Infantry Cross Road to enter real estate, starting with property trading. 1982. Prestige expands retail presence with a Raymond shop on Commercial Street. 1984. Prestige debuts as a developer with Prestige Court on KH Road, reshaping Bengaluru's skyline. 1986. Birth of Prestige Estates and Properties. The iconic Falcon logo takes flight, symbolizing soaring ambitions. 1990. Prestige launches its first residential project, Prestige Oakwood, in Koramangala and enters Chennai with Prestige Point. 1996. 4 iconic projects, Acropolis, Dorchester Tower, Monte Carlo, are launched in a single day by CM Dave Gonda. PPMS, Prestige Property Management Services, is also formed. 2003. Prestige earns the coveted CRISIL DA1 rating, validating quality, timely delivery, and clean title transfers. 2010. Prestige becomes a publicly listed company with its IPO on both NSE and BSE, ushering in a new era of growth and transparency. 2023. Prestige achieves a massive portfolio milestone: 300 plus completed projects, 180 plus million square feet delivered, and 1 lakh plus happy customers across India. 2024 to 2025, with 56 ongoing projects, 86 million square feet, 43 upcoming launches, 85 million square feet, and a land bank of 728 acres, Prestige solidifies its position as India's most diversified developer. The CRISIL DA1+ and ICRA A+ ratings reaffirm its financial strength and reliability. Now, let's take a look at Prestige Group's presence across India. Prestige has a strong footprint across 13 major cities including Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kochi, Mangalore, Calicut, Goa, Pune, Ahmedabad, Delhi, NCR, Kolkata and Coimbatore. Moving on to the completed residential projects, Prestige Lakeside Habitat, Bangalore, Prestige Falcon City, Bangalore, Prestige Jindal City, Bangalore, Prestige Shantiniketan, Whitefield, Bangalore. And now the completed commercial projects. Prestige Tech Park 4, Bangalore is spread across 8 acres. Prestige Skytech Hyderabad 7.61 acres, Prestige Metropolitan Chennai, Prestige Cyber Greens Kochi 4.5 acres and Prestige Summit Bangalore is around 1.15 acres. Now let's check the awards and recognitions. CRISIL DA1 Plus Developer Grading reaffirmed on Feb 6, 2025. ICRA A Plus Credit Rating showcasing financial strength. Lifetime Achievement Award Irfan Razak ET Business Awards and CNBC Real Estate Awards. Forum Mall Kochi Best Retail Project. Prestige Leela Residences Best Residential Project Ultra Luxury. FIA BCI Prix Excellence Awards JW Marriott Prestige Gulfshire Resort and Spa Gold Winner Hotel category. Next up, interesting facts and philanthropy. Interesting facts. Prestige builds India's first luxury mall, the Forum Mall in Bangalore, one of the most diversified real estate portfolios in India and customer base of 1 lakh plus families and corporate. Currently developing 170 plus million square feet across sectors. Philanthropy. Prestige Foundation, COVID-19 relief, ICU facilities, oxygen concentrators, hospital support, community welfare, meals and rations for unprivileged families. ESG commitment, focus on sustainable ecosystems and governance. And now, let's take a look at the controversies. Prestige Falcon City Bangalore reports a delayed possession timelines. Prestige Lakeside Habitat Bangalore, early issues with water and sewage later resolved. Overall, Prestige is widely respected for its responsive customer service and strong post-possession support. And that wraps up today's detailed review of Prestige Group, a builder that has risen from a tailoring shop in the 1950s to a diversified powerhouse in real estate, trusted across India. Tell us in the comments which builder you'd like us to review next, and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to Housey, your transparent real estate partner. Until next time, happy house hunting with Housey.